wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today we're going to make instant noodle. And before that, let's introduce ourselves and the ingredient we need.
First thing first, we light up the stove, then put the water in the pan and wait for the water to boil.
While waiting for the water to boil, prepare the instant noodle by opening the package.
Open up the ingredients inside the package, but put the ingredients.
And after the water boil, put the noodle inside and wait for 3 to 5 minutes.
After that, take out the noodle and put it into the plate.
Stir and mix the ingredients together until it mixes well.
That's all you need to make a noodle. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye. Bye.